Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkoya with Ndi Naija. Today I'm here to take a look back, take you all back. No, I'm here to take a review or perform a review, whatever the phrase is, of my February power sheets. This is the month in review page. Just to show you all a little closer what it looks like when it is blank. We have now entered into the month of March. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So here is what my February tending list looked like. I'm going to go in and fill this all out and I will be right back. 1 second. Alrighty folks, I've gone through and updated the power sheets. Let's zoom in a little bit so you all can see what happened this month. Okay, I think this is good. Audiobooks, the plan was to listen to my audiobooks for 18 plus hours. In total, I listened for 9 hours. So I think by the middle of the month, if you watch my previous video on the power sheets, I had listened to my audiobooks for 4 hours. So I added 5 hours to that. I would say I made progress. I did make progress. So I shall put a sticker on it. And actually, I may want to write out the number of hours at the end, just so I can look back at the end of the year to total out how many hours I listened. Organized planner stuff, that did not happen. We did that, did TJ's biannual cleaning, stay one video ahead of YouTube. That worked. That worked. Visiting the gym 3 times a week was my stretch goal for fitness and gym attendance. It did not work this week because I was sick. So there you go. Reconcile expensive, did that. Decorated planner, did that. Worksheet, work timesheet on time, did that. Weekly reset and review, I did not do that for the remaining 3 weeks of February. What do you know? Alright. This was a new goal for, well, it wasn't a new goal, but it was just time to start implementing this. Social media downtime. You can see here that I missed more days than not. Vitamins. I did pretty good on vitamins. I missed, well, I didn't record 2 days, so I'm not sure, but I missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days out of 28. Okay. Going to bed at 10 p.m. This is in order for me to wake up at a normal time, partly because my body tends to wake up somewhere between 4 and 5:30. It's not accurate. This is without my alarm. My alarm is set for 5 o'clock. But if I go to bed at 10, I can comfortably have 6.5 hours of sleep, or 7, but I sometimes sleep 7 hours on the weekends, but 6.5 hours on the weekdays. My body just does that. So going to bed at 10, let's see how many days I missed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 out of 28. Okay, so I missed less than half, or I actually did it more than half the time. That's good. Exercising or steps. Let's see, missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I missed 6 days. Some of the reason why some of these look like they've been written over is because they have been. And they were written over because there were a couple of times that I actually exercised. I went to the gym and did that and, you know, did my thing, but I did not make my 8,500 steps. It should be 8,500. So there, I need to do better with that this month. Salad or smoothie? Let's see. I missed 1, 2, 3. It looks like I missed more than I did. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the reason why you see these dots is because I missed recording it. So maybe that should be the new goal, to actually record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I guess I did eat either a salad or smoothie 15 times. Okay. So, am I going to give myself a yay? I'm going to say I sort of nurtured these, watered them. You know, there should be some celebration in here. And tell myself that you do things little by little. Should I put it over here or here or here? I don't want to cover it up. Let's put that here at the end. And celebrate. And I shall give myself a high five. High five. Done is better than perfect. So for most of these, I think except the social media downtime, I actually did what I wanted to do more than half the time. Which, technically speaking, 50% in college is an F, but nobody's counting. Personally, I'm not counting. Let's go through this last page. This month, well, last month, I am especially grateful for... What was I especially grateful for? For church. Church family. Yes. For the church family. Goals that are growing well. I would say my exercising is growing well. Exercising and vitamins. Exercise and taking vitamins. And all of these, or both of these, are wellness goals for me. Taking care of my body, my mind, my soul, my spirit. So my wellness goal is growing well. Someone I am grateful for and why. As usual, my son. He keeps saying the most adorable things. I'm also grateful for my mom, or I should say mum. Family. There should be a sticker for this. It's weird. I'm like, oh, this is not complete. I need a sticker. I need a sticker. Need a sticker. Yeah, there's nothing here, but let's do this. Let's put a little sticker for Grandma. And put a little sticker for TJ. There. Oh, I should have put... Oh well, that's fine. I'm choosing grace over guilt about listening to my audiobooks. might say it's almost like since I overachieved in January, I kind of slacked in February. But I need to do better in March. Progress I'm celebrating even if it was small. Attempting the social media downtime thing. Attempting a social media attempting social media downtime. I've noticed that it is better for my brain. It just helps things flow, you know? Have you guys ever tried a social media downtime or blockage, or, you know, just taking time off completely? I have not gotten to the point where I can do it completely, but I have gotten to the point where it's necessary to, you know, take out certain hours a day. Now, what hours in particular to take are kind of tricky. Yeah, but it's a start. A favorite memory from this month. And I have that in a sticker somewhere. I think that's in my journaling sticker. There was something funny that TJ said that I wrote down because I wanted to remember it naturally. And that's one of the great things about writing. Excuse me. That is one of the great things about writing things down. Okay, here it is. This is what he said. We were passing by a construction site, and, you know, because I talk to him about construction, and sometimes he sees me wearing my gear, PPE, just hard hat and safety vest. So when he sees folks around as we drive around town, if he sees construction folks working, you know, he thinks they are my colleagues. So he asked me when we were passing this bridge, because I was still actually wearing my PPE as I picked him up. So he asked, "Mama, do you help your construction bros?" And that was just hilarious to me. So, yeah. A good lesson I learned. I don't know if I have completely learned it, but it's something I am in the progress. It's something that I am starting to do. So and I think you guys saw this on my last budget video. And this is something I need to do. For example, a Simply Gilded pre-sale has been going on, and I am not so happy to announce that I will be missing the whole thing. Yes, I am not so happy to announce that. However, it is necessary, and it's necessary partly because I bought some Oso paper stickers. So I sort of told myself it will be either or. You will miss out on something. Choose what you're going to miss out on. So I decided to miss out on acquiring more consumer. Well, it's not a consumer product because I intend to use it on my channel. But I don't intend on my channel to simply promote having things. That's not what this is about. The channel is about several different things, and one of the reasons that I have, for example, this tool is to show you guys how I'm attempting to do things to better my life, to improve my life, for self-improvement, and hoping that it inspires someone and helps someone to see that imperfect progress is still progress. I mean, you guys can see the number of X's versus check marks. And next month I'm going to be changing my format to make everything an X when I do it, and it should be blank when I don't, just so that I can sort of build this as a fence and If it's blank, you can see the gaps in the fence. But anyway, I was saying that... Oh, runaway washi. I was saying that some of this is not to just be about consumerism, because one of the things we can fall into in the first world is just thinking that things, just, I don't know, I'm going off on a tangent, but I think I should do a vlog about it, and a vlog about why I've gotten to this point. Because for me personally, when I look back on my life and where I came from, no, this is actually true. When I look back over my life, coming from Nigeria, and things that have happened in the course of finding myself and living in these United States, things have changed, life has changed. And I want to, especially now having a child and raising a kid on my own, I want to ensure that I am remaining grounded, showing him that you can use your skills and share your skills no matter how imperfect they are, and it will help you and it will help someone else along with other things. So anywho, let's finish this. What I'm saying no to next month. I am saying no to avoiding recording. And this has come up before in my Powersheets as an issue. Avoiding writing down, or avoiding recording. Okay, I'll just write avoiding recording things. What I'm saying yes to. Writing it all down. I'm saying yes to writing it all down. I am also saying yes to... There's something else I wanted to write. I forget what it is. Can you imagine? I just lost my train of thought right there. Either who, I'm saying yes to writing it all down. I am saying yes to imperfect progress. And there was one more thing, but if I remember it, I will write it down. So that's it, everyone. Hopefully, you guys are doing well on your goals. And even if you're not doing well, the least you can do is something. If there's one thing you could do for your goals today, what would it be? And think of something small. Something that won't take you more than 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just start. That's it. That's all I have. Oh, and this is the Happy Planner calendar. Came from the Be Happy box. Well, this is the word for March, or the phrase for March. Progress, not perfection. So let's get out there and make some progress. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have watched this long, I do appreciate you watching. I do hope you subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications so that you are informed whenever I post a new video, and comment down below. What do you think? Not just about Powersheets, but about how you are working on your goals and how I'm working on my goals. Do you have any suggestions? I need a suggestion about an app that will block social media for a period of time. Alright, that's it. Thanks everyone. Bye.